Hello, good morning viewers. This is Ivan X. So the problem of this phone is that whenever they charge it, it's going to be writing a zero remaining. So just come and have your seat so that you can see what we did in this video. So this is the new battery we bought and this is the old battery. So anytime your iPhone is writing zero remaining, just go and give an engineer to help you to replace the battery. So that is the solution. You just change the battery of the phone. Very simple. So this is my wonderful customer now came to complain the same problem. So I now went to the markets and buy new phone, new battery. So this is me opening the phone. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and our Facebook and our TikTok. I really love you all. Please